Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about some of the questions that you guys had and you have posted in the YouTube community. So quick background about this video. Lately, I've been receiving a lot of questions related to data analyst and what a data analyst would do, what is the salary and all of that. So I created a post in YouTube community for Q&A so that you guys can post all your queries so I can get them addressed. I have received almost 20 plus questions, so we will address them in this video. Let's dive in. So the first question is from Lokesh. Hey Kawashika, which are the skills and technology should we learn to become a data analyst? So for an entry-level data analyst, two must-have skills is one is Excel, the other one is any query language. So you can query the data and do the analysis in Excel. However, we expect you to know how to work on an end-to-end projects. That is how to query the data from the database and how you can put that in Excel and how you can map to multiple tables and create a data model and analyze the data and produce a dashboard. So that is what we expect from entry-level data analyst. The second question is from Sonam. Hi Kaushika, I'm currently learning data analytics course in one of the institute in Bangalore. Tell me, what is the field should I focus on? I really want to become a skilled data analyst. Also, please do separate videos about the interview process, what are the questions they asked and everything. Thank you. Okay, if you're already in the field of data analytics, then the better path would be data analytics or product analysis instead of data analyst. Definitely there is a significant difference between a data analyst, data analytics, data scientist and all that. The confusion arises when you try to figure out the difference using the job descriptions in the job portal. But to answer your question, data analytics or product analysis would be a better choice instead of data analyst. Sure, I'll try to make a video about the interview process or the questions. The third question is from Talha Syed and he got 3 questions. Number 1, I would like to know about job availability in general for data analyst and is it too crowded? So I read an article from Economic Times that was published in 2022, late 2022, and they mentioned that there is a 30% hike in job requirements for data analysts specifically, and everyone know that the data analytics career is growing large compared to the other job families in the IT industries. So definitely there is job availability and it is also crowded. So, but it definitely not as crowded as software engineer job role. How can someone improve their chances in landing their first job as a junior data analyst? I would suggest you to go for take internship in any startup companies. That is the most effective way of getting into a data analyst job. Next, the third question is it possible to get a job if someone is graduated but not from IT background, only has done Google Data Analytics course and knows the beginner level Excel, Google Sheet, SQL, Tableau and R? Okay, so I'm also from a non-IT background, so I don't have an IT background. So definitely to answer the first question, yeah, you can become a data analyst. However, if you think Google Data Analytics course will land your job, definitely it will not. I think there are a couple of videos in internet saying that Google Data Analytics will help you land a job. I don't think it is possible in India. So it will definitely give you a lot of knowledge about data analysis process and how to an end-to-end project works and all of that. But it will not get you a job. It will get the skill but not a job. Also, your videos are informative and helpful. Just one tip, use a lavalier or shotgun mic. Audio will be greatly improved. Thanks. Definitely, I'm working on it, so I will improve my audio as well. Next question is from Ajay. Hi ma'am, I am Ajay. I have chosen data analytics as my career and I wish that if you are my mentor, then it will help me to achieve. So can I connect you through LinkedIn? Of course, you can connect to me in LinkedIn. But to answer your first question, I don't think I have the enough time or the experience to be a mentor. But if you're already working in a company, see if your company is offering you any mentorship program, because my company specifically offers mentorship program based on the performance of the candidates. So I have been part of mentorship program based on your performance. Some mentors will be allocated. They will guide you how to, flourish your career in the future and which path you would like to follow. So that is now option number 1. Option number 2, there are a couple of websites where specifically for data analytics related job families, there are mentors who have part of that websites will offer you mentorship program. You can hire your mentors and see how it works. That is option number 2. The option number 3 is I believe that mentors choose you. It has happened to me in the past as well. So mostly it will be either your N+1, N+2 or even N+3. So once you are very much focused into your job, you try to open up to your N+1 or N+2 or whomsoever you work with, your seniors mostly. So they understand your pain points and start giving you guidance. That is more loyal than you hiring somebody as a mentor and try to create a mentorship there. So I always prefer the third option. But this will happen eventually once you start your career and once you progress in your career. Okay, the next question. How did you become a data analyst? Okay, so I did not start my career as a data analyst. So I started my career as a business analyst and slowly transitioned to data analyst. There is no huge difference between these two job families because there is always a confusion lies because each company put their roles and responsibilities in a different way. An ideal business analyst would be working in an SDLC project where they bridge gap between the technical team and the external stakeholders and internal stakeholders, act as a liaison. But however, in many of the projects that I worked as a business analyst, I was doing a data analyst work where I was giving quarter projection, yearly projections and all of that. So with that experience, I landed up a job in data analyst career, and majority 40% of my learnings are self-studied and 60% are on the job. So that's how I landed a job in data analyst career. Second question is which degree you did. I did not do any specific degree that helped me to land the data analyst job, but my educational background is BE and MBA, general MBA. Which course you did to become a data analyst? Yeah, I think both of them are very similar. I did not do any specific course to become a data analyst. How did you get that job? Like I said before, I started my career as a business analyst, and however, majority of my work was related to data analyst itself. So finding a job related to that wasn't a difficult one. Last question is what's your pay scale? Okay, a senior data analyst will have somewhere between 18 to 28 lakh per annum. Okay, so the next question is, hello, I have done MSc in Instrumentation Science in 2020. I have done job in the same field. It consists of site visits and traveling, but I want to switch my job due to traveling issue. So is this job suitable for me? Please consider this question. It will be very helpful for me. Okay, I understand your concern. It is essential for you to understand your potential and your comfortness in your job. As far as I know, the IT job doesn't demand much of a traveling, but there are times when you will be asked to work in a client company and in your salary company back and forth a few times a week or few times a month. So we can't really assure that there is not at all any travel. To answer your last question, instead of I suggest to you whether the role is suitable for you or not, I request you to research and understand by yourself whether this role is suitable for you or not, because there are ample resources available about a data analyst and data analytics job family. So I request you to research and understand whether it's suitable for you or not. So next question is from Faisal Sheikh. Can you make videos of full start to end different project for the use of data analyst? Yes, that's in my plan. I will try to make a video where I will address projects that will help you land job in a data analyst. Moving on to the next question. The next question is from Anamika. Hi ma'am, I'm currently doing my bachelor degree. My My pass out year is 2024. I would like to pursue my career in data analytics. Can you please share your career journey? I've addressed this question already. I started my career as a business analyst and I transitioned to data analyst. At what age did you start course in data analytics? I did not do any course in data analytics. Is Google certified data analytics course valued everywhere? I don't think so. There are claims that not in India, but the other part of the world, where they say Google Data Analytics certificate will land you job. But if you check the Google website, it claims that it gives a positive impact in your work and it helps you in a land job. But definitely, I can assure that it will yield the skills that is required to be part of the data analyst family, but I don't think it will help you land a job. Okay, the next question is from Ishika. What technical skills actually need to become a data analyst and how to apply all these skills in Google? And what are the criteria? Google meaning Google company? I don't know about that. I don't think I can answer that. I haven't researched anything about Google or the requirement about Google Data Analyst. But the first question is already being addressed. The technical skills that you require for an entry-level data analyst is a query language, any database query language, and Excel. Harshal Chaudhary, can we start our career with internship in a small-scale company? Absolutely. I think that's what I recommend anyone who start a data analyst career, because that's the most easiest and fastest way into getting into the data analytics job family. Okay, moving on to the next question. The next question is from Faisal. How to take free certification? Which certification are professional? Okay, this is a really nice question. So if you don't want to invest in any of these paid courses, there are some of the YouTube channels which offer you really good courses. The number one I would suggest is Code Basics. So Code Basics have got all basic professional courses. For example, SQL, Python, Power BI, all of them have a basic start in Code Basics YouTube channel. If you want to level up to the next level, an advanced session of them, then you have to go and sign up to their website and purchase their advanced courses. For a beginner level, I think Code Basics is the best YouTube channel you can come across. I think this is the last question, is from Prashant. Strategies and skills to become Business Intelligence Analyst. I'm not a Business Intelligence Analyst. However, as far as I know, any BI tool will help you in land a job. Something like ClickView, ClickSense, Power BI, and so on. There are multiple in the market. I think Power BI is one of the most popular BI tool. So any one is sufficient for you to land the job. The second question is where to learn the skill and how to do project related to analytics. Okay, so there are websites who specifically conduct these kind of competitions. One such website is called Maven Analytics, where they provide you free data set, ask you create projects and submit to them. And they also help you create this portfolio. If you're a beginner and you want to create a portfolio for your interview, then Maven Analytics is the best website to start with. With this, we have come to the end. So thank you so much for all the questions. I think I've addressed all the questions. So keep posting your questions. I will try to address them every now and then. Thank you. Bye.